So let's go ahead and do this. Is it a palindrome problem? It says write a function that checks if a given string, case insensitive, is a palindrome. So that should be pretty simple to do. Let's go to here. I'm going to create. I think it's called is it a palindrome? Is it a palindrome? That's JS. Cool. So let's see if we got a function. What does it give us? It says is palindrome. So pretty much it's going to give us an input. So let's get some comments going here. So it's pretty much going to PREP. Our input is going to be a string. You see here, it's going to give us a string value. Checks if a given string. So this given string case insensitive. So it doesn't matter if the case is uppercase or lowercase. String. We'll put case insensitive. Case insensitive. So we're getting a string and we need to return a boolean, I believe. Yeah, boolean, true or false. Boolean value true if palindrome, meaning that the same letters forward are the same ones backwards. So ABA would be a palindrome because ABA is ABA backwards, and of course like something like race car, because race car is race car backwards. Yeah, so that would be true. So those are examples that we have. See above. And so let's get to some pseudocode. So how will we solve this? What I would do is I would take my string, which is X, and split it up. So I would split my string up, split string into an array. So then it would look like this. For example, you get RACECAR. So once I split it into an array, then I'm able to what I can do is I can use a reverse method on the reverse method on the array. So use reverse method. So what this reverse method will do is reverse everything in the array. So each character would just start over. So this last character would be the first character, this character. So pretty much read it backwards. So then once I do reverse it, just reverse every character in there. And I'll do another example too. Race car, or I don't know, my last name, PENROSE. And if I use a reverse method on my last name, it should give me ESORNEP, which clearly isn't the same backwards. So once we use a reverse method, we can join these strings, but we can use a join method. Use the join method, and what the join method will do, we'll take this array and put it back into one string, so it join the characters together. So then race car then becomes race car as a string, and the same thing with Penrose. Oh, did it go backwards? So it'll be ESORNEP. And what we can do now is, since we have both these, we can compare them we can compare and see if it's equal to the original string. So you can say if race car, our string race car is equal to our original string X, then that will make true. So you can just return that. And if the Boolean was false, you just return false. So that would be the solution to that. So again, we can split the string X. So X dot, we'll just return everything. So return X dot split, and we're going to split every character. And I believe that splits every character. Let's just make sure. So console.log x.split, not splice, split. I just want to make sure that's doing what I think it does. So what we'll do is palindrome, and we'll put penrose, and that should, yep. So it splits every character. That's what I needed. So once you split it, like I said, we can do the reverse method. So once I do a reverse on there, what it do is take this string and flip it in reverse. So if you can see, this is now reversed. And what I'll do now is just put that back together by using the join method. And that should take that array and put it back into a string. And it said it was case insensitive. We'll just do a to lower. Dot to lowercase, and what that would do is just put everything to lowercase. And yeah, so then we can see if that equals our original string, and make sure that's to lowercase as well. Oh, not bug. So it's false, and that's it. So it's telling us that it's not a palindrome. Penrose is not, but race car should return true. Yep, and ABA should return true, but not ABAA. It's false. So that's really it. It's a one-liner. But instead of console.login, we're gonna return it. Return the value. Return this value. And that should be that. We'll return this in here and determine if it's a palindrome or not. And we'll test that out. We got some good tests there, and that's it.